हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो फार्मर रिसर्चर। तो आज मैं डिस्कस करूंगा जीपैट 2013 ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर। तो इस पेपर में टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 125 हैं। तो इस पेपर को अभी दो पार्ट में डिस्कस किया जाएगा। फर्स्ट पार्ट में मैं इनिशियल 65 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूंगा एंड नेक्स्ट 60 क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आएंगे। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। So the first question is Haeckel's plot represent, and the correct answer is option C, pressure porosity relationship. Next question is which of the following would cause increase in the winding strength at the dry granulation process in significant degree? And the correct answer is option B, Macrogol 4000. Next question is the correct statements concerning concertation microencapsulation are, and the correct statements among these statements are option 2 and option 4, that is, when the gelatin is used for microcapsules wall material, the concertation is bound to happen, and simple or compound concertation can be distinguished according to the number of macromolecular colloids taking part in the process. So option D is correct for this question. Next question is cyclohexanone exhibits how many peaks in 13C NMR spectrum due to symmetry? So the correct answer is option C, that is 4. Next question is if an organic compound does not absorb UV visible radiation, it means the compound does not contain, and the correct answer is option C, conjugated double bond. Next question is the positivity polarized carbon atom of carbonyl group acts as, and the correct answer is option D, an electrophile and a Lewis acid. Next question is the pinene hydrochloride rearranged into Vornel terpenoid is called as, and the correct answer is option A, Wagner-Meerwein rearrangement. Next question is the mouse model for type 1 diabetes mellitus is, and the correct answer is option D, NOD mouse. Next question is cholesterol contributors to dash of the biological membrane, and the correct answer is option A, it contributes to rigidity. Next question is active site for all serine protease consists of which triad? And the correct answer is option C, serine, histidine and asparagine. Next question is which anthelmintics having immunosuppressant activity? And the correct answer is option B, levamisole. Next question is which of the following is selective alpha 2 selective antagonist? And the correct answer is option D, yohimbine. Next question is which one of the following is not a protoplast fusion agent? And the correct answer is option D, colchicine. Next question is clinically used levotalol is, and the correct answer is option B, RR. Next question is for intramuscular injection angle of administration is, and the correct answer is option D, 90 degree. Next question is aromatase is an enzyme complex that is the target for several anti-cancer drugs. Which of the following anti-cancer drugs targets aromatase? And the correct answer is option C, aminoglutamide. Next question is Vinca alkaloids that are used in combination therapy to treat a variety of tumors. How to can gain resistance to these agents? And the correct answer is option B, overexpression of the carrier protein called P glycoprotein. Next question is a set of closely related genes of generic markers that are inherited as a single unit is, and the correct answer is option C, haplotype. Next question is ginseng saponins belongs to the series of, and the correct answer is option D, Demarine. Next question is Stokes-Einstein equation to the series of, and the correct answer is option C, diffusion coefficient. Next question is the source of radiation for FAR IR spectrometer is, and the correct answer is option C, mercury lamp. Next question is which of the following alkaloid is derived from tyrosine? Is derived from lysine, and the correct answer is option D, lovelin. Next question is the agent that can only be given intravenously for heart failure is, and the correct answer is option D, dobutamine. Next question is a prescription order for an antibiotic preparation includes the directions IIGTT AU QID. What auxiliary label should we affix to the prescription order container? And the correct answer is option D, that is for the ear. Next question is which one of the following amino acid residues is specifically recognized by chymotrypsin during peptide bond cleavage? And the correct answer is option A, phenylalanine. Next question is which of the following criteria should be considered when reviewing a medication for addition to the hospital formulary? And the correct answer is option C, that is National Adverse Drug Reaction Reports. Next question is identify the GABA reuptake inhibitor. And the correct answer is option B, tiagavin. Next question is what in the reason of complicated penetration of some drugs through blood-brain barrier? And the correct answer is option C, absence of pores in the brain capillary endothelium. Next question is Reynolds number is given by, and the correct answer is option C, Re is equal to rho Vd upon mu. Next question is the increase in concentration of second messengers, that is CAMP, CGMP and CA2 positive leads to, and the correct answer is option B, that is protein kinases activation and protein phosphorylation. Next question is which of the following cholinomimetics activates both muscarinic and nicotinic receptors? And the correct answer is option C, carbachol. Next question is deoxyposition of deoxyribose in DNA is at, and the correct answer is option B, second carbon. Next question is all are potent 3A4 inhibitors except, and the correct answer is option D, that is barbiturates. Next question is probability of non-sterility is given by, and the correct answer is option A, F value. Next question is which of the following is a selective medium for the growth of Vibrio cholera? And the correct answer for this is option D, thiosulfate citrate wild sucrose agar. Next question is specific conductance unit is, and the correct answer is option B, mho per centimeter. Next question is Karplus curve is associated with which spectroscopy? And the correct answer is option D, NMR. Next question is which of the following pair of volumetric method of argentometric titration and indicator used is matched correctly? So the correct answer for this is option C, 3 only, that is Bolhar's method with ferric salt. Next question is the reaction of the citric acid cycle that is most similar to the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex catalyzed conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A is the conversion of, And the correct answer is option D, alpha ketoglutarate to succinate. Next question is, which one of the following pairs of lipids and related compounds exhibit opposite biological activities? And the correct answer is option B, cholic acid and lithocholic acid. So the correct answer for this is option C, neuraminidase inhibitors. The next question is, HIV may not respond to, and the correct answer is option C, neuraminidase inhibitors. Next question is, palmitic, oleic, or stearic acid esters of cholesterol used manufacture of cosmetic creams is, and the correct answer is option B, lanolin. Next question is, what is needed for suspensions, lotions, emulsions, creams, and ointments to keep a high container consistency and yet pour and spread easily when needed? It also is satisfactory for IM, slow release yet easy to inject. And the correct answer is option A, thixotropy. Next question is, the enzyme superoxide dismutase converts, and the correct answer is option A, that is O2 to hydrogen peroxide. Next question is, for first order reactions, the rate constant K has the units as, and the correct answer is option D, that is per second. Next question is, which of the following may be used to assess the relative bioavailability of two chemically equivalent drug product in a crossover study? And the correct answer is option C, that is time to peak concentration. Next question is, a 25 ml sample of a solution of a monoprotic acid is titrated with a 0.115 molar NaS solution. The titration curve shows equivalence point at 7.05. Which of the following indicators would be best for this titration? And the correct answer is option B, bromothymol blue. Next question is, which of the following is termed as mass filter? And the correct answer is option C, quadrupole. Next question is, which of the following is produced in phenyl propanoid pathway? And the correct answer is option A, phenolics. Next question is, a diode array detector coupled with UV detection is advantageous because it, and the correct answer is option A, because it covers a range of wavelengths. Next is, the load of an analysis is at the femtogram level. This corresponds to detection at the, and the correct answer is option B, 1 in 10 is to power minus 15 level. Next question is, which are those therapeutic systems which liberate the active ingredient through a special hole prepared while laser? And the correct answer is option D, that is OROS system. Next question is, which of the following chromatographic technique is most suitable for small non-volatile water insoluble solutes? And the correct answer is option B, that is reverse phase liquid chromatography. Next question is, which of the following antiviral agent is not a nucleoside analog? And the correct answer is option A, moroxidine. Next question is, regarding two compartment pharmacokinetics, all are true except, and the correct answer is option A, that is a drug is always removed from the peripheral compartment. Next question is, phenothiazine is obtained by dash with filter. And the correct answer is option B, cyclization of diphenylamine. Next question is vitamin K is constituted of dash ring. And the correct answer is option B, naphthaquinone. Next question is to balance intellectual property protection, competition and access to affordable prescription drug, the act made by US government is, and the correct answer is option C, Hatch-Waxman Act. Next question is Grignard test is used for the detection of, and the correct answer is option C, cyanogenetic glycosides. Next question is which hormone works antagonistically to parathormone? And the correct answer is option D, calcitonin. Calcitonin. Next question is drugs that have been found to be useful in one or more types of heart failure include all of the following except, and the correct answer is option B, alpha adeno receptor agonist. Next question is which one of the following is used in the AMIS test? And the correct answer is option D, Salmonella typhimurium. Next question is which of the ultra short acting adrenergic blocker? And the correct answer is option C, esmolol. Next question is match the following biochemical transformations with coenzymes involved. So for the first option, that is alpha keto glutarate to glutamic acid, the correct answer is option B, that is NADH. And for uridine to thymidine, it correctly matches with option A, that is tetrahydrofolate. And pyruvic acid to acetyl coenzyme A, it correctly matches with option C, that is thymine pyrophosphate. So option C is correct for this question. Next question is drugs that show non-linear pharmacokinetics have which of the following property? So the correct answer is option B, the elimination half-life increasing as the administered dose increase. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज़ वीडियो. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में जिसमें मैं इसके रिमेनिंग 60 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूँगा. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.